Working capital is a measure of a company's financial strength. Pete is thinking about investing in the automotive industry, and he has his eye on two companies, Arthur's Engines and Joe's Motors. Pete calculates the working capital for each company. Arthur's Engines has $200,000 in current liabilities, liabilities that the company must pay this year, and $320,000 in current assets, assets that can be converted into cash in less than a year. Pete subtracts current liabilities from current assets for both companies and discovers that Arthur's has $120,000 in working capital. This means the company can easily pay down its short-term liabilities or debts using its current assets. This is a sign of a profitable and efficient business. Joe's Motors, on the other hand, has $400,000 in current liabilities and only $360,000 in current assets, meaning the company has a working capital of negative $40,000. Negative working capital suggests that Joe's may have trouble paying its short-term debts. Joe's might be forced to sell an asset or raise more capital through long-term debt like a bond. Or, in the worst case, the company could go bankrupt because it can't pay what it owes. Because of Joe's Motors' negative working capital, Pete chooses Arthur's Engines as an investment. Working capital helps investors judge a company's financial health and future prospects. But no single measure tells the whole story. Working capital is one of many metrics investors use to evaluate a stock.